Celebrating World Migratory Bird Day is a great opportunity to connect people with nature and biodiversity.
Studying Icelandic black-tailed godwits, I discovered that juvenile migratory behaviour is often socially influenced. And whether the juveniles hatch early or late in the breeding season affects their opportunity to migrate with adults. So the timing of breeding affects the next generation's use of space.
Depending on the natural and artificial wetlands, migratory black-tailed godwits use the Iberian rice fields for fattening. We discovered that this species is able to alter the lipidic metabolism, converting the rice carbohydrates in fatty acids, so the fuel to power the migration.
By tracking European bee-eaters, we found that the Portuguese breeding population migrates around 3,000 kilometers to West Africa. Most of the individuals winters between Guinea-Bissau and Mali, and the lowest proportion winters in Nigeria, where they overlap with the German breeding population.
Icelandic oystercatchers are partially migrants, meaning that migrant and resident individuals are present within the same population. We found that adults are extremely faithful to their migratory behavior. So, how do they become migrants or residents? Our most recent discovery shows that juveniles adopt the migratory behavior of their father, but not their mother, suggesting that this is more likely driven by social interactions.
Bird migration is a spectacular natural phenomenon that inspires everyone, but it also reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect these species that have no borders.